Careers in hairdressing. A career in hairdressing is the process of doing and developing. A hairdresser's career and creativity go much farther than standing behind a chair. Attending beauty school, practicing on dummies, passing the state board. Finally working in a real salon with real clients. Discovering passion in a specific area is where the real fun and the real work begin. Hairdressing is as diverse and unique as the hairdresser. If you agree, answer yes in the comment section below. From the receptionist to the manufacturer, this is not a one-way or non-stop journey. Working behind the chair is testing or proving ground for careers in hairdressing. Success, failure, comfort, and fear shape, break or make careers in hairdressing. Communicators, educators, researchers, and knowledge seekers may or may not want to work as technicians in the salon on a day-to-day basis for one or more reasons. Careers in the hairdresser industry that encourage that same passion and creativity from the back end or business end include 1. Business managers. 2. Social media managers. 3. Beauty influencers. 4. Trainers or educators. 5. Administrators. 6. Salon managers non-working. 7. Research and development. 8. Event planners. Begin a hairdresser as a salon receptionist. It's an opportunity to connect and interact with people, doing inventory, improving customer service skills, and becoming business savvy without leaving the industry. Good receptionists are hard to come by. Everyone can't do it. It requires personality, communication skills, computer savvy, and the ability to do multiple tasks. Administrative careers in the hairdressing business are well suited for those with A. Allergies. B. Physical disabilities. C. Lack of confidence behind the chair. These are just some of the careers that don't require technical proficiency. These careers are as important as the stylist and are an option for those who find they're unable or don't want to work as a technician in the salon. They're still an important part of the business process. Outgoing and well-spoken hairdressers with powers of persuasion and motivation do well in careers where public speaking and big personalities are necessary for success. These big personalities make good candidates for careers that involve travel to other countries, making them international stylists. International stylists are influencers and educators with very high skill levels. Regional sales managers are responsible for training and development. They're responsible for group training and meetings and need to be comfortable in front of large groups of people. These stylists also work for manufacturers and distributors as 1. Sales representatives. 2. Platform artists. 3. Workshop coordinators. 4. Technical specialists. Hairdressers are artsy, creative, and passionate. Art is in every area of hairdressing. Portraits, paintings, pictures, and now hair videos or mini-movies. The movie industry is a perfect example of a hairdressing career that extends well beyond the chair. A licensee who is participating in a hair photoshoot might find more excitement directing a hair shot from behind the camera more exciting than designing and creating the look. Capturing a perfect image of the hair is an art. With a passion for hairstyling and knowledge of knowing what to look for through the eye of the camera, a hairdresser can be well sought after and have a rewarding hairdresser career. A cosmetology license may not be a requirement for becoming a hair photographer, however, it'll put you ahead of competitors. Magazines. YouTube videos. TV and movies. Advertising. Salon design and interior are also careers in hairdressing. Technicians who develop allergic reactions, find styling hard, are overwhelmed by different personalities, love the atmosphere but not the job, and also have an eye for design with artistic value. Design is an important part of the hair salon industry. Working in the salon has the benefit of understanding space and furniture. Having expertise in color is important to the mood and effectiveness of the atmosphere. There are more extensions in the hairdresser career than meets the eye. Working behind the chair is rewarding. It's a ceilingless career with opportunities that extend to its sister industry, fashion. In the right arena with the right talent, exposure, and knowledge, a career in hairdressing is more than rewarding. It's a skill no one can take from you. It's intellectual as well as technical. The hairdresser's career extends from the imagination to the creation. A hairdressing career is creative, exciting, limitless, and powerful. Are you a hairdresser? What advice will you give to people seeking career in the hairdressing industry? Give answer in the comment section below. Or do you work in the industry and not as a stylist? Share your experience in the comment section below. Please take a quick moment to subscribe. Like and share this video. Thanks for watching.